Hey guys, in this video, we're checking out the 5 best cordless drills in 2022. I've made this list based on price versus performance, reliability, ease of use, and more. We'll be taking a look at products in every budget range, so regardless of whether you've got a few bucks to spare and want the best value, or if you're looking for the best cordless drill you can buy, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Now let's get into the video. Starting our list, we've got the Avid Power 20V Max cordless drill, which is a perfect drill for someone looking to do basic work and doesn't want to spend a lot while still getting a decent product. And it's our pick for the best budget cordless drill in 2022. The Avid Power 20V Max is an affordable option that delivers solid all-around performance, and it comes with a range of useful accessories and an ideal tool to get basic jobs done. You get a built-in LED light to work in low-light areas, a lightweight build that remains comfortable, and several position settings for precise drilling, which is more common to see in more expensive drills. It has a relatively lightweight build at around 2.5 pounds and an even weight distribution, so it's easy to carry around the home or to use overhead. You also get an ergonomic rubber-coated handle, but it might be a bit small for larger hands. It has a solid battery life that offers around 40 minutes of runtime per charge, but the 3-hour charge time is longer than many competitors. I like that it has a bright built-in LED light to improve visibility when drilling in darker environments, which is a nice little added bonus. It comes with a powerful motor considering its budget-friendly price and has a variable speed up to 550 RPM to handle softwoods, hardwoods, plastics, and metals with precision. While the results aren't as fast as higher-end models we mentioned later in this video, you get 15 plus 1 position settings for improved drilling and screw driving control with no stripping, a flexible shaft for difficult-to-reach areas, and a reverse forward switch. It comes with a powerful magnet tip, which offers enough power to prevent screws from falling while in use. You also get a wide range of accessories to suit your needs, including a 10-piece drill bit set, 10 driver bits, and an extension bar to pair with a fastener or flexible shaft. If you're looking for a drill to get all your basic tasks around the house done at an affordable price, look no further than the Avid Power. It offers versatile drilling performance and the convenient variable speed feature for working on multiple different surfaces. This is an excellent option for anyone who doesn't want to break the bank. Now, if you want high-end performance and feel at a more affordable price tag, the Black & Decker LDX 120C 20V offers amazing value at its price and is our pick for the best cordless drill for the money in 2022. Priced at a reasonable $50, the LDX 120C is a budget-friendly drill that's an excellent option for beginners or light household projects. It also comes with an impressive feature set for the price, such as a variable speed up to 650 RPM, a long-lasting battery, and versatile performance. This cordless drill features Black & Decker's signature orange and black colorway and comes with a high-quality carrying bag for convenience. It has a lightweight 3.4-pound design, which is light enough for nearly anyone to use with a single hand or overhead. It's also extremely compact, so it's an excellent option for working in tight or confined spaces, and it has an ergonomically designed handle to maintain a comfortable grip over extended uses. The battery life is another standout feature, and you get a long-lasting durable battery that's compatible with other products in their 20V Max line. Black & Decker also offers a solid 2-year limited warranty to protect against defects in the workmanship. It utilizes a 3/8-inch keyless chuck with an 11-position clutch for precise drilling control across an impressive range of work surfaces, including wood, metal, and plastic. Although it's perfect for everyday jobs, it's not really powerful enough for heavy-duty jobs. If you want something heavy-duty, you'll want to check out the DeWalt 20V Max XR we've got coming up later in the video. It does also come with a convenient LED light that improves visibility along with a brushed motor to reduce costs. While it doesn't offer as much torque as larger models, it provides excellent power for the money. The Black & Decker LDX 120C offers outstanding value considering the reasonable price. It offers better performance than the Avid Power 20V Max we talked about previously at a slightly higher price point and matches some features of higher-end models we talk about later in the video. You get a lightweight, comfortable build, an 11-position clutch for precision, and a relatively powerful motor to handle a host of applications. I would recommend this for anyone who wants the best bang for their buck. DeWalt is a well-respected name in the industry, and the DCD 771C2 offers excellent quality and impressive performance for homeowners at a solid price, making it our choice as the best drill for most people in 2022. If you want a versatile, high-powered drill capable of almost any job you want to throw at it that's going to last you a long time without getting into the high-end, expensive professional drill market, this might be the drill for you. It comes with a robust motor that offers plenty of versatility, 16 clutch settings for improved precision, and a compact build. It comes with a lightweight 3.5-pound frame and an ergonomic rubberized handle to remain comfortable over prolonged usage. It has a rubber coating on the body for added durability so it can withstand a few accidental falls or bumps. The compact frame allows you to work quickly, efficiently, and easily in tight spaces, and it has a built-in LED light that illuminates darker areas. You get two long-lasting 20-volt lithium-ion batteries that deliver a consistent power supply to enhance your productivity, and you can charge each one separately to work for longer periods of time. The batteries are compatible with many other DeWalt tools to save on recurring costs and storage space as well. It has a powerful motor that offers 2 speed ranges, which includes a 0 to 450 RPM setting that can handle most light tasks and a high-speed transmission of 1500 RPM with comparable torque to heavier models. The variable speed can also preserve battery life and extend the motor's lifespan. You get a total power output of 300 unit watts out and 16 clutch settings for precise control, which allows it to be used for a comprehensive range of applications and surfaces, but it lacks a built-in slot for storing drill bits. While it lacks a premium metal chuck like high-end competitors, the half-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck performs well and offers adequate bit gripping strength. I also think the 3-year limited warranty makes this an excellent long-term investment. The DeWalt DCD771C2 is an amazing option for the average person watching this video or an occasional weekend handyman, and it's something reliable and long-lasting for jobs around the house. It offers enough power to handle light and heavy-duty tasks, solid battery life to finish longer household projects, and excellent durability to withstand wear and tear over time. Next up, we've got the PS31-2A, a great 12-volt, easy-to-use compact portable drill for everyday use. Bosch's PS31-2A is a great all-around drill that I think some people will really be interested in because of its compact and easy-to-use design. It's a quick and effective drill that can handle DIY projects around the house, and it delivers impressive power considering its compact form factor. It has several useful features, including a soft grip handle, an outstanding maximum torque level, and an impressively lightweight build. It offers an excellent performance-to-size ratio and only weighs around 2 pounds, which makes it an excellent choice for electricians, contractors, or DIY enthusiasts who do a lot of overhead drilling. It has a compact 7-inch frame, so it can easily fit into most tight spaces, and it's made from a durable blend of nylon and plastic. It also conveniently comes with 2 batteries to maximize your work time. You get a 1-year warranty for added longevity and a 30-day money-back guarantee to ensure satisfaction. It also comes with a charger, screwdriver bits, and a robust carrying bag. The high-performance frameless motor offers 2 speed settings between 0 to 350 RPM and 0 to 1300 RPM with a maximum torque of 265 inch-pounds, which is outstanding compared to other 12-volt cordless drills and suitable for most materials, including sturdy wood and metal. You also get 20 +1 clutch settings to provide precise torque adjustments and avoid stripping screws while drilling. It also comes with a single-sleeve keyless 3/8-inch chuck that keeps drill bits firmly in place, and even though it's made from plastic and is prone to loosening, it's functional and helps keep the weight low. You also get an ergonomic soft grip handle and a well-balanced design that remains comfortable over extended projects. The PS31-2A is a standout 12-volt cordless drill because of its outstanding drilling power, variable speed settings, and ergonomic and user-friendly design. It's a solid overall drill that some people will definitely be interested in. If you're looking to invest in a high-end cordless drill combination, then the DeWalt 20-volt Max brushless impact driver and hammer is our recommendation. The DeWalt Impact Driver and Hammer Combo Kit is the most costly option on our list, but you're getting 2 separate drills and you're paying for performance with enough power for intensive household tasks. In the kit, you get an integrated belt clip and large batteries to last throughout most projects. You get 2 lightweight tools that weigh under 5 pounds each, which makes them ideal for a range of household tasks. Both tools are relatively compact and offer a well-positioned 3-mode LED light with flashlight functionality, so they're an excellent choice for crawl spaces or dark areas. I also like that you get an integrated belt clip to keep your tools accessible, a high-quality carrying bag for your accessories, and a comfortable overmold grip handle to eliminate hand fatigue and deliver additional stability. It comes with 2 large 4.0 AH batteries that offer an extended runtime to finish larger projects. The included 3-year limited warranty provides some additional peace of mind. The high-performance hammer drill offers all-metal transmission for improved efficiency, 3 speed settings ranging from 0 to 2000 RPM and 0 to 38,250 RPM for masonry work. The impact driver delivers a powerful 1,825 inch-pounds maximum torque at an outstanding 0 to 3,250 RPM speed, along with 0 to 3,600 impacts per minute, which is too powerful for light tasks but suitable for heavy-duty jobs such as putting down a deck. The half-inch ratcheting chuck is made from a premium nitro-carburized metal to add stability, and it has carbide inserts that provide a better grip on bits. I also like that the chuck comes with an easy grip sleeve so you can swap out bit tips with a single hand. They also run using durable brushless motors that are specifically engineered to improve your productivity while working. The DeWalt Impact Driver and Hammer Combo Kit is perfect for someone either doing professional work or more serious tasks. It has unbelievable drilling power, incredible build quality, a bright 3-mode LED flashlight, and solid warranty. If you're looking for one of the best options you can buy, look no further. But that's just my opinion. Links to updated pricing on all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked the video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.